Hey guys, 828 Find Adventure. I've got some new shackle mounts for the front of the Toyota Tundra, and this is a new design, and I happen to see these. I currently have the rough country shackle mounts, and well, they're fine. This is a more refined design, and it comes with a shackle, which is nice. It's nice and red, and looks like it's painted really well or powder coated. I'm not sure. This part is definitely powder coated. They did a great job. It's kind of a textured powder coat, and it has this nice hook on the front. So let's go ahead and get these installed. So check these out right here. So we have this red D-ring. It's really coated thick. I don't know if it's powder coated or if that's just like some sort of enamel or something, but they really did a good job of coating them. And these rubber things here that go on these, they're basically to keep it from knocking against your bumper. It's really not going to knock into anything hanging from these, but if you wanted to leave them on there for looks, they're really nice. But I will tell you, if you go ahead and tie a rope or something to this, or a soft shackle, you're probably going to lose this. It's probably going to pop off. As for this part, it's powder coated really nice, but I like this design with the hook. Now, I don't know that this hook is going to be useful in any ways, but kind of looks cool. This is a really nice welding in here. They did a just really great job of powder coating it, and let's put it on and see how it goes. And excuse the noise. They're putting a roof on my neighbor's house, and you might hear some hammering and yelling and loud trucks, but that's what we got to deal with today. So let's get these things mounted. Okay, first thing we're going to do is take off these rough country. There it is. Those are the two bolts right there. Look at that. That looks great. I don't know. I mean, maybe you could get a small rope up here or something. You can push this plastic up, so it's not really going to matter. But let's go ahead and put that D-ring on it. These right here, these that bolt right onto the frame in place of the factory tow hooks are made for towing. I mean, you can't. These are strong. You're going to tow with them. Depending on what you're pulling out or what you're doing, it might bend them. But it just depends. Like, they're pretty beefy. I don't think they'll even bend. But like I said, some of the others that you mount on some of the smaller trucks, just check and see what the pull rating is. I would hate for you to pull something off your truck, towing somebody out. So let's go ahead and get the other one installed. Like I said, this is an easy job. You just loosen the bolts, pull them out, put the other piece in, and tighten it up. That's the deal. There you have it. Now all we got to do is put the shackle mount on. Like I said, I'm not going to use these. All right, all done. Well, there we go. It knocks around a little bit. So what I recommend is you getting some of these plastic washers. Let me show you what I used on the rough country. I use these, I don't know if you can see those plastic washers right there. They work good at keeping it from rattling around. Okay, so there's different size ones of these. You can use these thin ones, you can use thick ones. I don't think this is necessary since it's not banging against anything, so I'm gonna go ahead and take that off. Look at that, boy, it's red all right. And of course, it bolts on the same way. Pretty cool. Let's install the other one. There you go. All mounted up. That's easy to do right there. Looks pretty good. Let's back the truck up and see what it looks like from the distance coming at you. Well, folks, I hope you like my video on replacing the shackle mounts on the front of my truck with some new ones. I had these rough countries for about a year now, and they've done well, do their job. You know, like for some people it's for show, and some people it's like, you know, for a functional use. You know, and they have all kinds of uses. Whether you're recovering your vehicle or just tying down a canoe to the roof, you can use these to tie onto. It's a great anchor point. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll put links under the video in the description. If you would, please subscribe. Please hit the thumbs up button. I really appreciate it. And most importantly, please comment. If you have any comments on these and maybe some examples of what you've done with them, that would be great. I'll let you know how these do. These look really good. Not that, you know, people get under there and look at them, but they just look really good. And they come with the D-rings. So that's a plus. You don't have to buy those extra. So check them out. Let me know what you think. And I've got more videos coming. So I will see you next time. See ya.